Hey guys, this is Dave, Excursion America. I'm here under the Yadkin River Bridge, just north of Salisbury, south of Lexington, right on the county lines of Davidson and Rowan County over here. I did a little park. They got a nice park. You can walk across the old bridge. Lots of times I don't fish very long. I don't come but 30 minutes, an hour when I fish. I go by myself. It takes a long time to set up the cameras. You gotta have chargers and all that, get the right duplicate shots. So it's very difficult to do for one person and focus on fishing because colder climates, obviously their metabolism slows down, being cold-blooded animals, and you kind of have to wait. Now I'm kind of an impatient person, so let's go. Hey, what's going on? This is Hooks. I'm here at the Yadkin River, just north of Salisbury, south of Lexington. 85's a quarter mile that way. It's the old bridge right here. And on a bobber, I've been watching some YouTube videos. I've got just a rubber maggot. I've got some scent in here. I might use it, I'm not sure. But it should work. Wish me luck. Hello, this is Dave again. I moved down a little bit to the center of the bridge. Again, I switched up. I went back with my favorite. I catch more bass or anything on these, so let's try it out. I do risk the chance of getting hung up here in the river wish me luck.